I'm a really big baseball fan. My kids play baseball. I grew up playing baseball. Nothing makes them happier than to play on a nice field. And if I can help them to get that, that's what I really want to do. My name is Steve Chandler. I am Vice President of Lou Chandler Incorporated. We are a commercial site work company here in Bossier City, Louisiana. Probably about 15 years ago, I got a call from a coach in Bossier, and he asked me if I could come help grade his infield. As a commercial site work contractor, we normally don't really dabble in the field world. Went out on a limb and said, yeah, I'll come meet you and just try it, and we'll see what we can do. Ended up doing the infield. A year later was a phase 2 for him, which involved a grade in the outfield and resodding. And now I've got a really good relationship with these coaches in Shreveport, Bossier area, and they call and set them up, and we go and knock them out for them. The first one I get a phone call for is the lip on the back of the infield dirt and the lip on the front of the infield dirt. Usually it creates a bathtub effect in the playing surface middle. And even if they have a tarp, that is usually where the water will stand. So that is the number one thing they call for, which leads into adding storm drains and catch basins alongside the field. If you don't get the material out of the grass, it'll build up and create that lip that we're trying to keep from not being there. With a Ventrac, you could put a sweeper broom on the front. You could go through and sweep through your grass and get all the loose material back onto the infield. You got a side cutter that goes on the front, you could cut that out. You could regrade it and put it back. With this Renovator and ballpark groomer, you can maintain all your surface. Even to just this field right here, one tractor, basically these attachments that are behind us, they've got a football field, a softball field, soccer field, a practice field, and just the grounds. You could literally handle everything on this property with those attachments that go with the Ventrac. Originally I was using a UTV, and I was pulling the attachment I had earlier behind it, but due to tight turning radiuses, and it wouldn't pull and turn at the same time. And so when I found out about Ventrac, the articulating in the middle, tire, all the wheels pulling, it just made sense. And the turn radius was so much less. The compact tractor world, you know, it's flooded with accessories, but when you own a tractor and you can run to a rental store and you can get a landscape rake or a rear discharge mower, it just opens up me to have the ability to do a lot more work. Maybe not even specifically a baseball field, but it just gives me work that I can do for my commercial site work business, because the options are pretty much endless that Ventrac offers. It's just a matter of what you need.